Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhones. It's very, very easy to do. So you're just going to go over to your settings on your phone. So just type in settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and go to where it says general on your phones. And then scroll down and go to keyboard. And then you'll see under all keyboards, it says auto correction right there. So if you would like to disable it, you can go ahead and untoggle it so it turns gray. That means you won't have the autocorrect feature on when you're typing anymore. And of course, if you want to turn it back on, just navigate back to where you were here and just turn it back on so it's green. Very simple and easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.